Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So get ready to dive into the exciting world of technology with us. Just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So guys, in today's video, Shark Tech is going to teach you about e-commerce email marketing automation. So e-commerce email marketing automation refers to the use of automated processes and tools to manage and execute various aspects of email marketing campaigns for an online store or e-commerce business. It involves setting up a series of predefined triggers, actions, and responses to engage with customers, promote products, and drive sales through email communication. So here's how e-commerce email marketing automation works. So the first step is triggers. Automation begins with triggers, which are specific events or actions that initiate an automatic email campaign. Triggers can include actions such as customers signing up for an account, making a purchase, and some other things. Second, segmentation. Automation allows you to segment your email list based on various criteria like purchase history, browsing behavior, demographics, and some other automated email. Once a trigger occurs and a segment is defined, the automation platform sends out pre-designed and pre-scheduled emails. These emails can include welcome emails, order confirmation emails, and abandoned cart reminders. Personalization. E-commerce email marketing automation allows you to personalize your emails by using recipients' name, suggesting products related to their interest, and tailoring content based on their previous interactions with your store. Drift campaigns. Drift campaigns are a series of automated emails sent at specific intervals. For example, customer signs up. Then comes abandoned cart recovery. This is a powerful automation feature where if a customer adds items to their cart but doesn't complete the purchase, automated emails are sent to remind them of the items in their cart. Product recommendations. Automation tools can analyze the customer's purchase history and browsing behavior to suggest products that they might be interested in. Then comes timing and frequency, which is very important, analytics and tracking, and then A/B testing, which is very important. So many automation platforms offer A/B testing capabilities, allowing you to test different email subject lines, content, image, and calls to action to determine what resonates best with your audience. So guys, in overall, e-commerce email marketing automation streamlines the process of engaging with customers, increases efficiency, and helps e-commerce businesses maintain consistent and personalized communication with their audience, ultimately driving sales and fostering customer loyalty. So guys, I hope that this video has removed all your doubt about e-commerce email marketing automation. So like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Shark Tech.